Okay, today for word work, let's start with these two words, earnest and frisky. Are these words that you know? They're not words you probably use every day. So let me put them in a sentence for you. The earnest dog kept at his work while the frisky puppy jumped and played around him. So can you figure it out now? Earnest is someone who's doing their work and working hard and doing what they're supposed to. And frisky is someone who's running around and playing and having a good time. Okay? So, what can you tell me about those two words in relation to each other? Yes, they're opposites or antonyms, as we've been talking about. Let's write antonyms up there. Antonym. Okay, antonyms. Antonyms. Now, I have a bunch more words on my chart. And these words are not matched up yet. We're going to try to match them up. Should I read the words to you? They look a little bit hard to read. Let's see. Modern, rare, private, yes, public, overhead, improve, worsen, I couldn't read that one myself, worsen, ancient, and beneath, oh, and there's one at the bottom, ordinary. So we have to match these two words, all these words up. So let's take one to start with and see if we can find what matches with it. Let's start right in the middle and do overhead. What would be the opposite or the antonym of overhead? Would it be public? No, you can be overhead in public. You can have an overhead bridge. Would it be ancient? Well, there probably were some ancient overhead things. How about the word worsen? Oh, I know, beneath. Overhead and beneath. Those two match. I'm going to circle them in orange. Okay, what else can we have that matches? Oh, I see one right away. Let's match up in, I lost it, public and private. Some things you can do in public, some things you can do in private, right? So we got some of them matched up, but we've used a circle of both colors that I have. I don't have any more colors. Let's try to find another way to match them. Let's start with this word worsen. What could be the opposite of worsen? Ordinary? No, probably not. Rare? No. How about improve? There we go. You can improve or you can worsen. When you're sick, you can improve or worsen in your grades. And I match them up by underlining them twice, right? In orange. Let's try ancient. What would be the opposite of ancient? Ancient means really, really, really old. So how about modern? Does that work? Modern means now, today. Designed for today. And so now I'm going to underline it in pink. Just one line. So then our next two must match each other. Ordinary, give it a star, and rare. You can find an ordinary rock or a rare one. You can find an ordinary stamp that we put on our envelopes all the time, and you can find a rare one from back in World War II. So there are all kinds of antonym words. So today's assignment is a lot like this. So your assignment page has pages of cards like this. It also has directions for playing Go Fish with them. So if you want to print them out at home and play Go Fish, that would be awesome with your family. But since you're here at school and you can't really play the game with each other and all touch the same cards, we are going to, I want you to match them like this. putting little marks on them that show that you match the cards, and the marks match each other. I want you to find at least 10 matches in the cards. Okay? And that's your assignment today. Thanks.